Who are you? What did you do? What did you play?
So I'm Edinburgh and I played Gouki at the Gamers World Summer Cup, whatever it's called. And yeah, I had a lot of fun playing the deck, and you know, I had a nice day just gumblering people and stuff. So
That's
let's
wholesome.
get into the list.
But also fuck you.
So for the Goukis, I played 3 Super Eggs, 2 Twist Cobra, 2 Octo, 1 Bear Hug, 1 Headbat, and 1 Scorpio. I think those are the best ratios because obviously you want to open this all the time. This sucks to draw because it kills the combo.
It also sucks when you get reincarnation and they're both in your hand.
That's true as well. And these two kind of suck to draw, but they actually won me a game, so I can't complain too much. And for the non-Gouki, like just the Warrior Extender starters, I played 3 Jump Forward, 3 Gillosaurus. This is really good if you're going first. You can side it out going second because you don't want to give your opponent the extra monster, obviously. And I played 2 Marauding Captain. I was unsure on whether to play like 40 cards and not play this, or just play 42 with 2 Marauding Captain. I stuck them in, it worked perfect all day, so I was happy enough. And for the Speed Droid engine, I played Terratop and Takitomborg.
That's so good. I think I saw you. You opened the Takitomborg, but you just normal Marauding Captain, special Takitomborg from hand.
Yeah, like I didn't even need to use its effect because if you get Droll on this effect, it's really bad. But it's a kind of risk/reward situation. So you know, it works out most of the time. Like it's not really safe if you call by the grave in hand, but you know it's broken because you do the combo without your normal summon. It's a 1 card wait here combo. Then I played 3 Aquadolphin for just hitting hand traps out of people's hands, or like random Cyber Dragon cores for some reason. So
Shout out to Tomo.
my my first match, game 3, I normaled this and then I gumblered the guy for everything in his hand, and he top decked Regeki, and I gumblered that on his standby phase, and he got really sad. Even though I ended up with Cerberus, but it was fine. Like. And for hand traps, I just played 6. So I played 3 Ghost Ogre and 3 Ash. These are the best for this deck because they're all level 3, and it makes Invoker, like, if worse comes to worse, you can normal summon one along with Terratop forward, Marauding Captain, or Gillosaurus, and still be able to do your combo. And then the 1 Ibly. And for spell cards, I played the 3 Instant Fusion because it's probably the best extender in the deck. It just does what it needs to do for the cost of 1,000 life points. 3 Call by the Grave, it's pretty standard. Like, hand traps kill your deck, especially like 2 hand traps, because you need to be able to play through, like, you know, Ogre and Ash or something like that. And then 2 Rematch for the grind games. I think 2 is the best number to play. And Monster Reborn, Soul Charge, God cards, and then 2 equips, Living Fossil and Divine Sword Phoenix Blade.
And why didn't you play Moonmere Shield?
Because it's not good. So for side deck, I played 3 Red Reboot because I hate Trickstar, I hate Floodgates, I hate Draco, I hate Altergates, I hate all those decks. So fuck them. They can go fuck themselves. I played a Draco guy, and in game 2 he flipped Rivalry while I had this and Twin Twisters in his hand. I activated this on his Rivalry, and his like face just went from a really big smile to like a really sad face, and I was like, haha. So then I played 3 Cherries. This was mainly for the mirror, but I didn't play any mirrors at all. So
Yeah, me either.
I never sided this in, and someone actually used this on me once, and he.
What did he hit? What did he hit?
He cherries my goblin. Alright, I'll just continue playing, I'll just OTK you, thanks. And 3 Droll and Knockbird, it was actually really good for like Draco matchups, a Sky Striker matchup, etc.
For those sick link group plays.
If you do it, yeah, I actually did that once as well. You can just do it on the engage or whatever, and like, what can they do after that really? And for the spicy tech, it was Magical Midbreaker Field. So
Oh boy.
this is really good. So it stops your monsters from being targeted or destroyed during the main phase 1 and 2. So It turns Gamma into Effect Veiler. It stops Veiler, stops Impermanence. It's really good. It's actually really good against like Trickstar Sky Striker or Pure Sky Striker, because everything targets, and it's really good against Altergeist too, because Silquidus bounces your stuff by targeting, so they have to bounce this first, and then somehow get over your stuff. And I played 2 Twin Twisters for like Rogue, Draco, Altergeist, etc. And 1 Borreload for going second. Didn't actually summon it today. Then we'll move on to the extra. So the extra deck is pretty standard. It's like the Gumbler version, so you have the 2 I sold. It's pretty standard. The 1 Invoker, 1 Dragoness, 1 Mermaid, 2 Phoenix, because I don't have a second Goblin, but it's fine. Like, you can still play if you draw Ibly, if you have like another extender and a combo, so it's okay. The 1 Goblin, 1 Cerberus, 1 Unicorn, 1 Underclock, 1 Trigate, 1 Link Revo, 1 Firewall, and 1 Gumblar. So Gumblar is just looping
What a great card.
everything out of your opponent's hand.
What a
Like,
fantastic balanced card.
I hit a Sphere mode today, and I was just like, yes. Thank you.
Awesome. Any shout outs you want to give?
Just shout outs to my team members Adam and Oshin for lending me cards. They actually lended me Ashes and the Borreload, so like it definitely helped me do well.
And Cormac Adams for the Magical
And,
Midbreakers.
Yeah, Cormac Adams for the Magical Midbreaker fields, because like he actually like taught me a few combos as well, like how to play through Droll and how to do the Gumbler combo. So
Fucking shout out to Cormac just being sound.
yeah, just
Decent,
just for
decent
being,
lad.
just for being a good chap in general. So
It's a fair decent bean.
yeah, well, I really enjoyed today. It was a really fun event, and yeah, hopefully I can top something else soon.